We are moving on to another topic, care and maintenance of equipment. Gueridon service is a visual display and guests will be observing each and all the minute points. So there you need to have a higher standard of hygiene and also safety standards to be followed. First point is hygiene and appearance should be at the highest standard because we are doing everything in front of the guests. Next point is all the equipment should be spotless clean and you need to polish it daily. Next point is you can't handle food with bare hands. You need to have a service gear to transfer it, and if you want to do the carving, anything, carving knife and other things to be used. Just have a look at the first 3 points. Next point is that ensure that you have to wipe the gueridon trolley after each use. Then you can't handle the lamps or a hot plate just outside the trolley legs. So maybe you are just standing close to the gueridon trolley and maybe certain equipment you are not able to keep it inside. So maybe you just left it outside. It's not possible. Maximum you have to stack everything inside. That's another point. Please have a look at. Next point is trolleys never ever keep close to the curtain. So maybe when you are doing flambe, there is a chance to catch fire. Then make sure that spirit you have to keep always away from the fire. Please have a look at. Next point is you have to handle the spirit carefully while you are doing the flambe. Next point is you can't move the gueridon trolley in the restaurant once it's unloaded. There's a chance to fall certain things from the top. And last point is you have to check all the fuels. It can be the spirit lamp or next flammable gel, even the gas burners, daily basis. These are the care and maintenance of gueridon equipments. Hope that you understood. Signing off, your teacher. Bye-bye.